This project started with a 4-acre parcel of land. This land was a very sacred place for our ancestors. It faces Mount Rainier, which is significant to us and our tribe. The site itself was named by the Puyallup Language Department, Chayalquo, Place of the Hidden Waters.
From the very beginning of the design process, it was the intent to make this project both environmentally responsive and culturally responsive. When we started here 2 years ago, this site was a largely inaccessible blackberry-filled forested area. We really are seeking to tie the nature directly into the housing and allow the community to embrace that forest once again. The siting, to begin with, it is a low-impact site development that protects a wildlife corridor. We've oriented all the buildings to maximize the passive solar benefit. We have ground source heat to dramatically reduce the amount of energy needed in the units. We work directly with tribal members to generate a design with the intention of reflecting, respecting the culture of the Puyallup people.
We designed the site so that it was culturally relevant to our people and how we used to live. Our people used to live in longhouses traditionally. The building is shaped like a longhouse with the center space to create a sense of community, while the living quarters are either on the right or the left side of the building.
Right now we're sitting in this space which we think of as the community living room for the Puyallup Longhouse community.
Our people were oral people, and we told stories. So we're bringing that back to our people through this building. There was a team of dedicated people from start to finish, all the way from the architect to the contractors to the site superintendent.
For the Longhouse project, we use structural insulated panels. These are foam core panels. The insulation is just amazing in these panels, and the whole building can be raised in just hours. Building energy efficiency into a home allows the people that are renting these places to put the money into their pocket instead of in energy costs.
It's being built by tribal members themselves, by the Tribal Housing Authority, who are contracting local community members and training local community members to build this incredibly green project.
Puyallup Tribe of Indians, they have a workforce, and they supplied me with Native Americans from all over the country, really. We had Chippewas and we had Navajos and Alaskans.
The importance of training the tribal members is so they can take this to the next step. This is just one step in the process. We build a foundation. Hey, okay, guys, you've worked on this job, you've seen how to do this, take this somewhere else.
A lot of these guys were never carpenters. Their skill level changed. Tribal members that we employed learned a pride of construction.
These guys do great work.
This is another thing the tribal members that work on our projects bring to the project is the fact that they realize that they're not just building a building, they're building a home for somebody.
This project has been transformative in this neighborhood. To bring a passion for the environment into the housing world is really exciting. I think that we're doing things that we need to do, things that we can do, and I hope that we can share that with others so that they can do it too.